Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a quick tune-up report for Lonnie in West Virginia, and it's President Ronald. Lonnie, don't let the size of this radio fool you. Smaller than my hand, but makes a pretty big power. We done the tune alignment to this. We're going to start with RF power all the way down. 25 watt slug. You're looking about 1.5 watts right there all the way down. I'm going to take and roll it up. At 12 all the way up. Average power swing, hello, 25 watts in the corner. Go over your peak power, 50 watt slug, hello, 50 watts in the corner. So let's back this down. It's about 2 watts. Hello, still doing 50 watts in the corner. Lonnie, another good one, man. I appreciate you reaching out to us, letting us do up another radio for you. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum, bum.
Get wise and get truckerized today.